My name is Terry Davis. I'm in the Power Engineer Boiler Operator program. I've been attending MATC for a semester now. I was already interested in working with my hand, using my hand. I'm very more hands-on. I heard about the scholarship program through one of my advisors. Eric, my boy, what's up? When I was really signing up for my programs, he mentioned it and said it would be a good fit for me. How short the program really was is a big factor of it. Giving me all the tools that I need to be successful instead of have to go 4 years when I could find a good job with the little skills and trades that I know now. Some highlights is just learning some new things around what I'm doing here, like with the boilers and stuff. A couple of my advisors and teachers are a role model. Another shout out to my advisor, CC. She awesome. She helped us out really a lot, giving me the motivation to pass down some of these skills and trades that I can pass down to my family. I have 2 beautiful kids. This can help me pass down some information for them and show them it's not bad to learn a trade skill. The impact on the Chakota Scholarship for me is it took a lot of relief off of me to just more focus on school instead of having to worry about other finances, how to get here, transportation, books, lab equipment, tools, and all that type of stuff. So it really helped out a lot. It's just taking away all the distractions, just give me more focus on what I need to do to see my goal.